And Brownstown FC and Bull Bay FC booked their places in the finals of the Ray and Nephew Mackay Security Casafa Championship and Major League following semi-final wins over Constant Spring and Police National respectively at Constant Spring Field on Saturday.
In the championship, a 23rd minute strike from Amaria Kelly gave Brownstown a 1-0 victory against Constant Spring. Brownstown were reduced to 10 men after Timar White was ejected in the 66th minute following a second bookable offence. The game was held up for 7 minutes after the red card was shown, as unruly spectators threw water and other objects on White as he exited the field, which led to an invasion of the pitch. As a result of the win, Brownstown secure a date in the final against Seaview Gardens. Donovan Loftus is the coach of Brownstown.
We know Spring would never be easy. They have lost only one game. I don't think them lose a game here. And then crowd support, we know we have to come and grind this one out. And that was the plan all week. All week we have to play with 9, 8, 2 feet, no matter what. No matter what it takes, we have to do what it takes.
Meanwhile, in the Major League semi-final, Bull Bay, led by a double from Donovan Williams, came from a goal down to beat Police National 2-1. Police National took the lead in the 66th minute through substitute Travis Bennett, but Bull Bay pulled level 8 minutes later when Williams netted, which forced the game into extra time. Williams was at it again, snatching the winner for Bull Bay in the 103rd minute to seal their place in the final against Ligani United. Paul Hibbert is the coach of Bull Bay FC.
Yeah, they came prepared. They are a very fit team, very physical team. They played to a system and they stuck to it. But they were a bit too predictable. I think in the first half we were a little bit timid. We got involved in the game in the second half. We started moving the ball a little bit. And we started pressuring their defense. And I think that was the difference. We got a couple of guilty chances that we could have taken, but that's football.
Both finals will be played on May 16th. Daniel McLeod reporting for TVJ Sports.